Prime Minister Andrew Holness has given the clearest indication yet that a COVID-19 vaccine mandate could be implemented in the very near future. Now, in a legal opinion earlier this week, the Jamaican Bar Association said mandatory vaccination is likely to be held as constitutional under Jamaican law. Kelisha Williams reports.
No vaccine!
Outrage in the streets of downtown Kingston on Wednesday as scores of protesters made it clear they are not in support of a COVID-19 vaccine mandate. In the latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll, 70% of respondents also said no to making the vaccines mandatory. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has been insisting the government is not considering a vaccine mandate at this time. But during a tour in Trelawney on Friday,
it probably will emerge in the very near future. The government is contemplating how this could be done. We have asked for advice from the Attorney General's office, and that advice is being developed.
Mr. Holness stressed that before that can be done, the government is ramping up its public education campaign.
And more than that, we must make vaccinations available, and it must be convenient to get vaccinated. And that is what we are working on now.
On Monday, CarMed Group Limited became the latest company in the island to implement a vaccine mandate for staff. It came amidst mounting criticism from trade unionists who believe it's a breach of the workers' rights. However, Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Fort is supporting the initiative.
Employers are under a duty to ensure a safe system of work. So think about it. If persons are coming in and putting others at risk, the employers do have a duty to take action. If employees have to interact with the public and the public is going to be put at risk, there is also a responsibility to take action.
Employers like CarMed, who have made the vaccine mandatory, have also given staff the option to present a negative COVID-19 test weekly or bi-weekly.
The option of taking a vaccine that is medically safe and scientifically safe from all indications and prevents extreme illness and hospitalization is one of the options of containing spread of the virus. So I can't see anything unreasonable of an employer saying, if you choose not to take the vaccine, then you also must show that you are COVID negative, because a COVID positive person is going to put others with whom they come into contact at risk.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.